Judge's gavel fell. Jury found him guilty. Gave him 16 years in hell. He said,
Passaggio a metà gara della terza batteria maschile, Favoretti 26-28. Nella prossima Bosa in 1, Alessandro Nicola Roberto in 2, Davide Nardini in 3, Niccolò Trabacchin in 4, Davide Gobbo in 5, Nicola Cinni in 6, Thomas Aspressi in 7, Eric Zaninello in 8. Leonardo Favretti 55-05, Edis Fodolovic 55